A snow leopard, the ghost of the mountains. This male is searching for a meal, with prey scattered far and wide. Snow leopards take advantage of the unique high-altitude soundscape. Their hearing is 3 times more sensitive than ours, allowing them to pick out faint noises from miles away. And they listen out for one particular animal. Himalayan Ibex. As the hunter closes in, he switches to stealth mode. The long fur between the pads of his toes helps soften his footsteps, allowing him to sneak closer. All it takes is one loose rock, and the Ibex will be spooked. Cover blown. He's forced to attack from 100 feet. On the sheer cliffs, all it takes is one slip, and the chase is over. This time, he goes hungry. But in just a few weeks, he'll use the mountain's echo chamber for a very different type of pursuit.